Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to transform a big skirt into a beautiful and cute top and mini skirt set. So this recycle project is super easy to make. I promise about that. And look at that, they look super cute and pretty. I love them so much and hope you like this idea, this tutorial. And now let's get started. Okay, I'm starting to shorten the skirt first. From the waistband, go down 40 cm and mark, then cut out. Next, to cover the edge of the fabric at the bottom of skirt, I use the kind of cotton string. Actually, I'm not sure about that. And if you know, please comment down below. Now, I'm gonna fold it in half, cover the bottom of skirt, and sew them together. Moving on to top, I already drafted the pattern here. It's just simple. I'm going to make a Halter crop top. Here you can see a half up front and a half up back. So now I'm gonna pin the button on the fabric that I cut out at the first and cut two identical panels up front and two identical panels up back. I'm starting to stick the post dart and waist dart on two panels up front. Then connect two panels up front together by massaging. Next, I'm going to connect front and back together at the both sides by my serger tool. After that, I use the cotton string again to cover every raw fabric, including the bottom of top, the neckline and backside. And now I'm going to cut a string with 120 cm length to cover the neckline and tie at the back. This top is almost done. Now I just did some small hooks at the back side by my hand to finish. And I'm done. Let's see the final transformation. What do you think about this set? I think it's better than first big skirt. It's made me more active, pretty, and cute. Hope you like my tutorial and see you next Thursday. Bye!